how to make money on people per hour as a virtual event planner. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can list your own skill in order to get hired or to get paid for doing a project or a gig from individuals or from business owners. So for example, for the virtual event planners, let's go and search for one in here. So here we have the social media marketing. Let's see if we can find virtual event planners. Let's search in here, search for freelancers, and let's enter virtual event planner, and let's see if we can find one in here. So all of these are freelancers who listed their skills in here and waiting for the business owners or individuals to hire them or to pay them for a gig or a job. And that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one for your own skills. So let's go back to the main page, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right, and then make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password, and then click on login. And here login. And after that, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. And here click on apply now, and then you proceed to completing your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first step of completing your profile is to drop a profile picture in this space. So here you click on browse to browse in your files to drop a picture in here. Then you proceed to your job title. So for example, you're an award-winning web developer, or you can just enter virtual event planner, and then you proceed to your skills. And here the maximum number of skills that you can enter is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So here let's enter event first, event, and here we have event planning, event management, event. We have here organizer, coordinator, host, special events, director of special events. Let's go with organizer and coordinator as well, coordinator. And here let's search for virtual, and let's see if we can find something about a virtual event planner. Machine, desktop, currency, parallels. Let's go with parallels virtual desktop, or let's go with virtual reality, and let's just leave it at that. Then we proceed to the description. So here, describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your profile, I'm going to show you what I prefer to do personally in order to get inspiration for my description. So what I do is I go search for my competitors and I take inspiration from their description. So here let's search, let's go to the search, let's open it in a new tab. Here click on search, search for freelancers, open in a new tab. and here I'm going to search for virtual event planners like that, and I'm going to see all offers, and then I'm going to check 2 or 3 descriptions in order to get some inspiration. So here let's remove virtual and click on search. So here we're going to search 2 or 3 descriptions in order to get some inspiration about how we're going to write our description. So let's check this one. So his name is Asad, and this is a description, and as you can see, this is a very good inspiration. It's a small and brief description. It's easy to read and it's well organized as well. Let's check another one. Let's check this one's description. So her name is Sierra, and this is her description. My name is Sierra and I love organizing and planning. These have always been strengths of mine, and I've always enjoyed being involved in these things. My friends and family are extremely important in my life. I love traveling, escape rooms, Gilmore Girls, game nights, and girls' weekends. I don't see anything related to her skill in this except the first phrase. This is a bad description. I don't advise you to do one like that. Let's see if we can find something else. Let's check this one. It's the one that we checked before. We checked it before. Let's check another one. Event planning. Let's check this one, for example, to see. And this one, I predict that it will be a very long description, and I was wrong. So this is another good description. As you can see, Rebecca is a Liverpool-based event organizer with over 10 years of experience. She has experience planning a variety of events such as lectures, away days, outreach activities, fine dining, and garden parties for world-leading institutions, as well as private parties, weddings, and end-of-life celebrations. Rebecca is here to make your event planning. So this is a good description and a good inspiration for our description. You can just follow that one and create your own description. After that, you enter your location, the languages that you can speak, and then your hourly rate. Then you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.